Hey, Nikki PinkkGoddess here. I hope you are doing fabulous. I wanted to come to you today to tell you how to make money with Bitcoin in Infinity 1000. I am going to try to keep this as brief as possible. I just want to kind of share this, amazing platform with you. This slide that you're looking at right now is me on stage speaking at an event that I was at when I was one of the top leaders in a Bitcoin platform in 2017. That platform allowed myself and many others to create incredible income with Bitcoin in 2017. I got a chance to really be ahead of the curve with Bitcoin in 2017, but please do not be hard-headed like I was. I was very hard-headed and did not listen. And so here we are in 2021, and we are still not too late to accumulate Bitcoin in 2021. But I just want you to know that you do not want to be hard-headed like I was. You want to listen. And the goal for 2021 is to accumulate as much Bitcoin as you can so that you can pay off any debts that you have, any houses, cars, student loans, have a fat savings account, right? That is the objective in 2020-21, and to continue to just stack, and accumulate Bitcoin. That is the goal here in 2021. So you are looking at this right now because you found this video somewhere online, someone shared this with you, and I truly believe it is because it is meant for you to be blessed, because I truly believe what I'm about to share with you is going to be life-changing for you right now. You're somebody that's probably looking to let go of your second or third job. You're looking to buy a house, pay off a house, buy a car, pay off a car, help with childcare expenses, help to pay off that college debt. You may even be retired right now. You may just be in need of extra money right now because of the current state of the economy. I mean, we all know that things are so unpredictable, right? So that is why you are here. I just want you to know that there are no limits with this platform that I'm going to be sharing with you. And as a matter of fact, I do want to share something with you. I want to say it was in December of 2020, somebody shared something with me, and it really kind of refueled my fire with Bitcoin towards the end of last year. I got invited to get on a call for a different cryptocurrency platform, right? And that particular platform happened to be a platform that I was a part of. And I was just kind of like, so frustrated at the time because I had the opportunity to do what I saw. I saw someone take $1,500 and they turned it into $187,000 in a matter of 3.5 weeks with this platform. And then I even saw a couple that was able to take $100 each and turn that into $25,000 in 3.5 weeks. I was totally blown away, and that is kind of what refueled my fire with cryptocurrency. So I want you to understand that the power of crypto is very powerful. I know exactly what they did to create the money, and as a matter of fact, if they would have been on this platform that I'm going to share with you, then they would have probably made almost double what they did just by simply being on a totally different platform that paid 100% commissions, as you are about to see. There are no guarantees, as no one knows exactly what you're going to do with this information that I'm going to share with you. But I do want you to know that there are no limits with how much income you can create. It's totally up to you and what you decide to do with this information. Last but not least, I'm going to try to break a few things down to you as fast as possible. I want to invite you to get back with whoever shared this with you. If it was myself, Nikki PinkkGoddess, get back with me. My contact information will be on this video. If it's somebody from my team, get back with them. Hopefully you're in our free Facebook group. Our Facebook group is joinus247.com. That is our Facebook group where I'll be giving information and value to people that is looking to create income with Bitcoin. I will be able to tell you this. I do know that in the next few months, there's going to be people with thousands of dollars in their crypto wallets. There's going to be people that have paid off houses and cars and literally going to be debt-free by the end of this year. So you do not want to miss out on what we're going to be doing and what we're going to be taking a part of this year with Bitcoin. So with that being said, drum roll, please, if you're still here. Yay, you're still here. So this is Infinity 1000. I'm going to share this with you really quick. A lot of people ask, what is Bitcoin, right? Well, Bitcoin is the first ever decentralized global digital currency. Among other things, this means that it is entirely computerized and it does not have a physical form, right? I know you see me holding a Bitcoin here, but there is not a physical form. It is all computerized. It is in the blockchain and it does not have a physical form. So Bitcoin was invented in 2008, 2009 by an unknown person, often referred to as Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin allows people to send or receive money across the internet to anyone anonymously. Money can be exchanged without the use of banks or a person's real identity. Bitcoin is sent and received instantly. You can turn it into cash the same day. That is the most powerful thing about Bitcoin. If you need cash today, you're going to get access to that cash today. Unlike a lot of other platforms where you get, a sale today, it may take you weeks before you get your payment, or months. With Bitcoin, you can get paid the same day and you can turn it into cash the same day. I want to show you the power of Bitcoin, right? This is why I'm so freaking excited about Bitcoin. So we're going to pretend for a second that in 2020, you found an opportunity similar to this. You had a lot of debt and you needed to create some money fast, right? And for the entire year, I want you to think about the fact that you accumulated 80 Bitcoin total, right? But by March of 2016, you were just going to take the 50 that you had accumulated and put it to the side. You wasn't going to touch it because the other 30, you took that Bitcoin and you paid off your debts or whatever you needed to do with it. And you said, okay, I'm going to put 50 Bitcoin to the side and I'm not going to touch it. If you would have had 50 Bitcoin to the side by March of 2020, as you can see, one Bitcoin right here is $5,022. This was as of March 16th, 2020, right? Now, 50 Bitcoin, 5,022 was $251,100. Now, let's say you held those same 50 Bitcoin, you did not touch it. By November 6, 2020, one Bitcoin changed from 5,022 to 15,726. That's going from $251,100 to $786,300. And this is simply by owning Bitcoin. This is not doing anything but just having it in your Bitcoin blockchain wallet. Oh my gosh, like we're almost at $1 million if you would have had 50 Bitcoin just sitting there from March of last year until November. But this is, look at how powerful this is. In January of this year, January 9th, 2021, one Bitcoin shot up to $40,000, right? $40,254 on January 9th. If you would have had those same 50 Bitcoin, that was $2,012,700. Like, where can you take anything, any amount of cryptocurrency, or just a currency period, not even just crypto? Let's just say, where can you take currency just by owning it and not doing anything with it? Can you go from $251,000 to over $2 million in less than a year? That is the power of Bitcoin. That is why I'm so freaking excited about Bitcoin. And I hope that you are too. And I hope that your goal going into 2021 throughout this entire year, it is going to be to accumulate Bitcoin the entire year. Now, Infinity 1000 is powered by ingreso cybernetico, right? It has an aggressive, fast way for you to accumulate Bitcoin, and it minimizes the fees. It is the most aggressive and fastest way, in my opinion, to create income because it pays you 100% instant payments in Bitcoin. And a lot of platforms don't do that. A lot of platforms, they make you request it, they hold it. It goes direct to you with our platform. It's kind of like the idea of earning 1,000 commissions in Bitcoin over and over, because that is what the commissionable amount is with Infinity 1000, hence the name Infinity 1000. There's no monthly fees. There's nothing to figure out. It's just a simple pay plan that pays you instant $1,000 payments over and over in your Bitcoin wallet. And like I said earlier, you can turn that into cash at any time. And I share that with you on my team. So if that's something you're interested in learning how to turn it into cash, I share that with you. And as a matter of fact, I think I did a video on my YouTube channel that shows you exactly how I do it. It's really, really simple. There is no complication with our platform. That's why I love it. It's easy for anybody to really do it. Like, it really, really is. It comes with the infinity key, right? So in order for you to join Infinity 1000, you're going to unlock it with paying $100 right here. Join and activate your Infinity Key. It's going to unlock the P3 plan participation. We have 3 different levels, but the $100 that you're going to pay is going to unlock the P3. So that's $1,100 that you pay to get started with Infinity 1000. So you have the different options. Okay, we have 3 $1,000 platform packages to choose from. You can choose which ones you want to participate in. You can choose one, or you can choose all 3. I advise you to get started with the first one, which is P3, because it is going to pay you really fast. It's really simple to duplicate, and it doesn't, you're going to make a lot more money with it. I'm going to share it with you in just one second because it's super easy to get started. It is a 1x3 matrix, right? So let me show you how it works. So this is the P3 1x3 matrix. Every time someone lands in your commission position, you're paid $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. And then every time someone lands in your cycle position, you're going to start a whole new matrix to be able to earn all over again. So this is the way it works. This is you've paid your $1,100, so $1,000 plus the $100 key to get access to the platform to earn unlimited $1,000 payments in Bitcoin. This is you right here in the orange, okay? Now you're going to refer your first person. They're going to pay $1,100. Guess what? You're going to get a $1,000 commission that's earned. That is your commission position. You're going to do it again. This is the second person you refer. This is going to be $1,000 earned again. Now, let me tell you the power of this. Once you start building a team, these 2 people that get here in any one of these 3 slots, actually, they may not even come from you. They can come from somebody else on your team, because the way that it works is a follow me matrix. So if you refer 5 people, 6 people, whatever you refer, and when those people are referring people, whenever they go to a cycle right here in this cycle position, this is going to start you back over. So when a person does this, they're going to fall somewhere, wherever you have an empty spot on your matrix. Do you understand the power of that? So someone could fall here and you didn't even refer that person because that's where they fell, because that was the next empty spot. Do you understand the power of this? I really don't think you understand the power of this. But I want to kind of share with you really quick the P2. This is the P2.2 matrix. It's the 2x2. Every single user is on a pay line, meaning, let me explain it. The first, let me show you. Let me pull it all up because I can explain it better instead of reading it and explaining it. So this is going to be you. Again, it's $1,100 to unlock this program, right? So every single user is on a pay line, meaning that the first person that you refer that pays $1,100, they're on someone else's pay line, right? So that first person, you don't receive a commission. You don't receive a commission on that second one because they're on somebody's pay line right here, right? So this is the person right here. Now, this person right here in your commission position, it can come from you or it can come from this person, but it doesn't matter who puts this person here. That's going to pay you $1,000, right? That's why I told you on these 2 spots right here, they're landing on someone's commission position. That's why you're not paid. And the same thing, when a person lands here, you're going to get $1,000, $1,000 here, $1,000 here, and $1,000 here. So you have 3 commission positions with this platform right here. But like I said, you are having the first 2 that fall here. They don't go to you. They go to somebody else because they landed right here on someone else's matrix, right? So that's why I say you should start with the P3, because it's going to give you commissions for the first 2 people that fall in your matrix. That's going to be $2,000 a pop that you earn for every 3 people that fall in your matrix. That's a beautiful thing. So that's why I say you should start with that. And then this is the cycle position that's going to start you all over again. This is Infinity Uni 3. This is a monthly $1,000 that you pay. It's, of course, the $100 key to get access to this one. And this is the levels that it's going to pay the commissions, right? When the first person pays $1,000, it's $1,100, but the $1,000 is commissionable. On level 1, you're going to get $200 a month. Level 2, for that person, you would get $100 a month when a person pays $1,000 on your second level. Third level, $100 a month from that person, $200 a month, and $400 a month on level 5. So this basically is going to pay out $200 per month for each person that falls on your level 1. Level 2 is 100, level 3 is 100, level 4 is 200, level 5 is 400. So this is the percentages that you're getting right here. So that is the basically, in a nutshell, Infinity 1000. Again, the P2 3 is very powerful. It's the 1x3 matrix. That is what my number one recommendation for earning Bitcoin fast, because you're getting $1,000, for every 2 people that fall in your 1x3 matrix. Like, that is very, very powerful. So I wanted to thank you for attending this really quick overview with my opinion on how to earn Bitcoin in 2021 fast. This is just, like I said, my opinion. And I have had experience with a platform similar to this, and it wasn't even as good as what I just showed you. And I created a lot of Bitcoin. So I'm telling you, with me doing, something great with a platform that wasn't as good as this, once the team gets to growing with this, it's going to be a whole lot of lives being changed. So if you're brand new and you're watching this for the first time and you know absolutely nothing about cryptocurrency, right? I want you to know that you're going to be partnering with the winning team. We're going to make sure that you win if that is something that you want to do. We have lots of support via our free Facebook group. We also have a paid Facebook group where there's trainings. There is a Facebook group chat where you get instant access to myself to ask any questions, and I respond really quickly. Right now, I'm just really hands-on with the team, helping everybody grow, sharing the marketing strategies that I'm using, so you will not be alone with trying to figure out how to create Bitcoin and how to share this with people. I'm going to be sharing with my team. I am sharing with my team exactly what I'm doing to grow my Bitcoin and how I'm growing my platforms. I have 3 different platforms that I'm a part of, and I'm super excited about each one of them because it gives people the opportunity to get in where they fit in. I, of course, advise you do all 3, but not everybody is able to do all 3, and it really just kind of depends on what each person is looking for. So I want to leave you with a couple of takeaways really quick. The reason why I love Bitcoin so much is because it's secure. And the reason why I love Infinity 1000 is it is secure, it's scam free, payments are paid direct to you. It's inexpensive, in my opinion, to get started, $1,000, because when you refer your first person, you're getting your $1,000 right back. Bitcoin is private, it's decentralized. It provides you the ability to be anonymous if you want to, and you don't have to give people identifying information. They're sending your payments via a Bitcoin wallet address, and it's just going to go directly into your Bitcoin wallet. You don't have to talk to a single person at all. They don't have to give you any information for them to send that payment to you. That is why Bitcoin is so powerful, because it gives power back to the people. It's 100% commissions that's paid. It's passive income. It is extremely, extremely lucrative. It's ethical. No one can abuse the system. They can't steal your money, and a person can make as much as they want. It doesn't matter who your sponsor is, who shared this with you. You control how much income you create in Bitcoin. It's totally up to you. I want to thank you for taking the time out to listen to this overview on how to get Bitcoin with your girl, Nikki PinkkGoddess and Infinity 1000. I look forward to welcoming you to the team. Let's get this Bitcoin. Let's change some lives going here throughout 2021. Let's pay off some mortgages, pay off some cars. Let's literally create some huge fat bank accounts so that we can continue to create a legacy for our family and for our kids, and just continue to keep everything going. So it's your girl, Nikki PinkkGoddess, signing out. I want to thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to see this. I look forward to you clicking the link to joining the team, welcoming you to the Facebook group. Welcome to the team. It's your girl, Nikki PinkkGoddess, signing out. Peace. See you inside the group.